Alright, so I've got a 2015 F-150, and a few weeks ago the rear back camera stopped working. After a lot of troubleshooting, trying to figure out if it was the actual camera or wires under the hood, because I always park outside and mice have been known to eat up the insulation under the hood area. I thought maybe somewhere there was a wire that mice got to and chewed up. And I came back here and found this is the wire that leads to the camera. And a few weeks back, or a few weeks after initially diagnosing it, I found a rock that was jammed up in this area and had actually like hopped up and spliced through the wires that connect to the camera. So I connected them at the time, right? It was a pretty tight fit because the wire up here wasn't very long to be able to connect to, and I thought I had them connected and taped them with electrical tape, as you can see, but unfortunately I still get intermittent issues. Sometimes the camera works, sometimes it doesn't work, so I'm going to open that tape back up and actually solder the wires together and see if that helps fix the problem permanently. So you just want to make sure you're safe. Remove the battery. Single nut up top here, you want to take the negative off. Don't need to touch the positive or the red one. Just go ahead and screw that a little bit, and then this should lift up. Alright, so I got the tape off, and let me see if I can get the camera up here better. You can see the two wires just don't have a whole lot of exposed wire, and I got a short amount of wire left here to work with. So I'm going to strip away some additional insulation, see if I can't get more of that wire exposed, and then get these connected better. That seems to be working. All right, maybe, just maybe, that's enough to get started on that end of the wire. And now the more difficult side up here, where I have less room for errors. Let's see if I can get just a little bit more of that insulation off. I have no idea if this is going to be enough exposed wire, and it's just getting shorter and shorter and will be more difficult to connect. So I'm going to see if I can possibly twist these two together just enough. Nope. Without needing to go to the dealership and pay for a clip replacement. you can see that very well or not. Let's see if I can do just a little bit more. Well, it's kind of crude, but we'll see if it works here. Let me get some electrical tape wrapped up on this, and we'll get the battery hooked back up and see what happens. And back to the battery. Put this on. Now that the battery's plugged back in, we've got our system restarting. Didn't even have the key in yet. Let's see what happens. And let's try reverse. Camera works. Hopefully permanently now.